Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can fix any Facebook bug by following the step, which I will show you. Most of your problem should be fixed, but some of the problem requires specific settings to be like, blade width. So for that, it's not going to work. But try this method. It should be fixed. So what you want to do is first, you want to check your internet. Sometimes due to slow internet, it causes the problem. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Next thing you want to do is go on your App Store and search for Facebook to see if there is any update available or not. And once you search for Facebook, if it says open over here, that means your Facebook is up to date. But if it shows you update, you have to click on update to update to Facebook, and your problem should be fixed. And even after updating your Facebook, if your problem is not fixed, other thing you can do is go inside setting, and from setting, you want to go inside red, says general, and over here, click on red, says iPhone story. Inside iPhone storage, find Facebook, and click on Facebook and click on offload app. Click on offload app, and your Facebook will be offloaded. Once it's offloaded, click on reinstall app and it will be reinstalled. Make an open Facebook and start using, but even after following all the step, if your problem is still not fixed, the next thing you can do is just delete Facebook app and reinstall it again. Once you do that, all of the setting of your Facebook will be restored to the default setting. So most of your problem should be fixed by doing this. So that's how you guys can fix any Facebook bug. So if you guys have more problem related with Facebook, you can check out our channel, How to Guide, for more Facebook related videos, and your problem should be fixed. So hit the subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time.